Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add and format task descriptions in Ticktick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Ticktick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your task lists are displayed. Click on the specific list that contains the task you want to edit. This will open up all the tasks within that particular list, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Now, locate and click on the task you want to add a description to. When you click on it, the right panel will open up, showing you the task details. This is where you'll be able to add and customize all the information related to your task. In this task details panel, you'll see an empty space right below the task title. Go ahead and click on that empty space to start entering your description. Once you've clicked in that area, you can begin typing your task description. For example, type something like prepare monthly report, and then highlight that text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. As soon as you highlight the text, a formatting toolbar will appear at the top. This toolbar gives you various options to style your description and make it more organized and visually appealing. In the toolbar, click on the T icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you can choose between different heading styles such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. Select whichever heading style fits your needs best. These heading options help you structure your task descriptions hierarchically, making longer descriptions easier to scan and understand at a glance. After formatting your first line, click at the end of the last letter of your task description and press Enter on your keyboard. This will create a new line where you can add more content to your description. Go ahead and type another line of text to continue building out your task details. Once you've added this new text, highlight it by selecting it with your cursor. The formatting toolbar will appear again at the top. This time you can choose from different text styling options like bold, italic, strike through, or underline. Click on any of these options to apply the formatting style you want. These simple formatting tools help you emphasize important points or organize information in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Now, click at the end of the last letter of your newly formatted text and press Enter again to add another line. Type in your next piece of information and then highlight this new text as well. When the toolbar appears, click on the T icon once more. This time, instead of selecting a heading, you'll see options for bulleted list, numbered list, or check item. Choose the list format that works best for what you're adding. These list options are particularly useful when you need to break down tasks into smaller action items or organize related points in a clear format. After selecting your preferred list option, simply press Enter to continue adding more items to that same list format. The app will automatically maintain the list style you selected, allowing you to quickly add multiple related items without having to reformat each one individually. And there you have it. You've successfully added and formatted a detailed task description in Ticktick using headings, text styles, and various list formats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.